My name is Cataleya, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a book. Hi, my name's Cataleya. Hi, I'm Miss Theya. We are Cataleya! Level in the brain, hides in the heart, and the wonderful in us. First, I had to gather all the materials: pencils, paper, rulers. First, I had to fold the paper. It should be like a book. This is the book. Now I'm gonna draw this. We're gonna draw a dragon, me, a dog, and a house. This is the dog. Her name is Beowulf. Now I'm gonna draw a dragon. This is the dragon. Her name is Stripey. Next, I'm gonna draw me, myself. The house. Next, we're gonna draw me and the dog. Next, I'm gonna draw me and the dragon. Next, we're gonna draw all four of them. Now I'm gonna color them. I'm gonna color the dog. I'm gonna color the dog with the brown ears. And then the body, then the head. My dragon is golden. And then the ears should be golden, and the nose, the head, the wings, the body, the other wing, and then me, the ears, the head, the hands, the legs, the dress, the crown, and then the hair, then the house, the rooftop, the walls, the walls blue, then the day brown, then my puppy brown, and then me, and then the tongue, then the body, the legs brown, yellow, my dress is yellow, my crown is yellow, my hair is black, my ears is peach, my head is peach, my hand is peach. Now my legs is peach. My shoes are green shoes. Then me again. Then the head. Then the tongue. Then yellow. Then yellow. Then black. Then golden. Golden for the dragon. Black teeth for the dragon. Golden for the dragon. Golden for the dragon's head. Golden for the wings and the body and the tail. Now I'm gonna draw all four of them. Then puppy's tongue, puppy's head, then me, my head, my ears, my legs, my dress, then my dragon's body and dragon's wings and dragon's tail and dragon's nose and dragon's head and dragon's ears and dragon's teeth. Now my crown. Now the tongue. Now the house, the rooftop. Then the walls. Then the windows. Now we're gonna write the title. We're gonna call it Adventure Pets. We're just called Adventure Pets. We're gonna write the words. Spiky. The dragon. This is This is our house. This is me. And werewolf. This is me and Spiky. Adventure. Have I'm gonna read you a book. Adventure Books. This is Beowulf. He is a dog. This is Spiky, the dragon. This is Cataleya. This is our house. This is me and Beowulf. This is me and Spiky. We have a adventure. The end. Thanks for watching. Press like.